then you get bonus of rupees 2000 for that month. Let's say if each of your members are performer, then for every extra performance you get rupees 60 who does 100 point value and every rupees 200 for members who does 200 point value. Which means if all 40 members do performance of 200 PV, you get 40 into 200, that is 8000, and this is your income number 8. If you see our generation plan, it is very tactful plan because at one point we make the members comfortable, saying that they have to perform only for 20 point value. The member will think, if I do not resell, then also for 20 point value I can use for my personal use. And on the other hand, we say you, if you sell more, you get personal sale performance bonus. And if you are a good seller, you will sell more. On the other hand, we motivate you. If you motivate your direct downline on their performance, you get direct sponsor performance bonus. In this way, you will motivate your direct and your direct will motivate their direct and they will do the same. In this way, your example of 20 point value will not be 20 point value. It will reach 100 to 200 point value. And if it is like this, then performance of all members will go high. By 20 point value, you can earn 78,100. As same above with 100 point value example, your income will be 3,90,500. If your group performance is 10% of what we are showing you, your income will be 39,050 per month. Not only in the 5-level generation plan, but also in your repurchase binary plan. Your income will increase up to 5 times, that is 6,61,080. At time, people look for more income, but at one time they look for recognition, and we do recognize you through repurchase leadership bonus. When you have 5,000 group point value in your right and 5,000 group point value in your left with 2 active self-sponsored, active member is the one who get rupees 500 check per month through generation plan, and 2 personal sponsor members, you will get 10,000 reward voucher and you become silver. When you have 3 silver in your right and 3 silver in your left with 4 active self-sponsored and 1 personal sponsored silver, out of 6 silver, rest 5 silver can be from down the line, you will get 30,000 reward voucher and you become gold. When you have 3 gold in your right and 3 gold in your left with 6 active self-sponsored and 1 personal sponsored gold, you will get 50,000 cash and 1 trip abroad for 1 adult and you become platinum. When you have 3 platinum in your right and 3 platinum in your left with 8 active self-sponsored and 1 personal sponsored platinum, you will get 4 lakh for car, 1 lakh for cash and 1 trip abroad for 2 adults and you become platinum plus. When you have 3 platinum plus in your right and 3 platinum plus in your left with 10 active self-sponsored and 1 personal sponsored platinum plus, you will get 10 lakh for car, 10 lakh for house, 4 lakh cash and an abroad trip for 2 adults. Then you become diamond. When you have 3 diamond in your right and 3 diamond in your left with 12 active self-sponsored and 1 personal sponsored diamond, you will get 50 lakh for house, 15 lakh for car, 8 lakh cash, a abroad trip for 4 adults, and then you become pink diamond. And this is your income number 9. Are you looking for security? We give you through our royalty income. If you maintain any of your level for 6 months, you become royalty holder. It can be regular or alternate month as per our calendar. Our calendar starts from 15th of February to 14th of February. Maintain silver for 6 months, you become royal silver and earn royalty rupees 2,000 per month for 1 year. Maintain gold for 6 months, you become royal gold and earn royalty rupees 4,000 per month for 1 year. Maintain platinum for 6 months, you become royal platinum and earn royalty rupees 8,000 per month for 1 year. Maintain platinum plus for 6 months, you become royal platinum plus and earn royalty rupees 25,000 per month for 1 year. Maintain diamond for 6 months, you become royal diamond and earn royalty rupees 50,000 per month for 1 year. Maintain pink diamond for 6 months, you become royal pink diamond and earn royalty rupees 1 lakh per month for 1 year. And this is your income number 10. overthinking. Wake up. Now it is your turn.